What is going on, everyone? Today, just a real quick video. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on your Jeep Compass. This should cover your 2017 to 2021 Jeep Compass model years. There was a revamp, I believe, in 2022. It might still be the same steps, but if you have kind of the facelift that happened in 22 plus, just know the steps might be slightly different. So this is actually very easy. What we're going to do is come here to the back hatch where the rear wiper is. You're going to lift up on this plastic right here, like straight up, and then on the bottom portion you're going to pull straight down. You're going to do this simultaneously while you pull away, and you'll see it just kind of pivots back out of your way. Now we can lift the wiper arm up, and you'll see this is why we're replacing it. Sorry for the wind if that's picking it up, you guys. It's pretty windy today, I'm sorry. But anyways, once it's up into position like this, all you're gonna do is grab right here and go kuh, like that. It was all you do is grab here and go towards the passenger side with it, like that. Then you should be able to just kind of wiggle it and pull it straight off of its little mount right here and pitch it. Real quick, guys, if this is your first time stopping in, please consider hitting that subscribe button and bell notification. I greatly appreciate it. Now, it's not as simple as just going to your auto parts store and getting a 10-inch rear wiper blade. They are a special mount. You can't just go get a 10-inch wiper. So I ordered this one on Amazon. I'll post a few different options down below, but this is an Auto Boo off of Amazon, and you can see here it says it's for Toyota RAV4. But they also listed it for Compass, and it does match up. So here is new versus old. New one right here has the guard on it still, but as you can see, very similar looking, so I don't suspect we'll have any problems. If your wiper has a guard on it like this, make sure you remove it. Otherwise, your wiper isn't gonna work right. Installation just as easy. As you'll notice here, looking at the wiper, this part, this half of the wiper is a lower profile, and then there's this little wall right here. You want the lower profile version to be aimed at the ground like this. So what we're gonna do is just come in like here. We're gonna get this little post lined up with this notch. You're gonna have to rotate the blade kind of this direction to get it on there. Once you can see that the notch is in place, all you're gonna do is squeeze like that, and that's it. It won't come back off once it's clicked in. All I did was squeeze here and here. It's on there. Slowly lower that down and clip that back into position. And it really is as simple as that, guys. I do have a front wiper blade replacement video for the Compass as well. If you want to check it out, I'll link that down in the video description below. Apologies for the wind once again. I will link a few different wiper blade options down in the video description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for future videos like this. Check out my other videos here on the channel and check me out on my socials. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.